Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. I got Tommy here with us. He's got his 1968 Firebird. What do you call it? Like a pro, like a grudge car or bracket, pro street?
Yeah, it's a street car. Drive it everywhere.
Yeah, big hefty slicks on the back.
Yeah.
Killer, bro. Whole book. It took me fucking 10 minutes just to go through the whole thing.
Yeah.
Killer paint. It's a PPG or what is it?
It's single stage urethane.
Urethane. Wow.
Yeah.
It's really good. Love how you blacked out everything. Spoiler on the bottom. Blacked out signals. Blacked out emblems. Drip rails are all blacked out. Got the blacked wheels. They're forged. Kind of rear.
12 volt Chevy, Moser Axles.
35 spline on the back?
30.
Okay.
31 or 30.
Man, this thing is dialed in, huh?
Yeah, runs good.
Fuel cell in the back, cutoff switch. Looks like an 850 CERT cage in there. Sits nice too. Five and a half inch cowl hood. Hood pins. That's great. Let's check out under the hood. Definitely sounds like a big block.
Yeah.
Oh, mama. There we go. So what is it?
It's a 468
Yeah.
block Chevy, aluminum heads,
Killer. Big
all forged
flow.
internals,
Wow.
100 shot plate on it.
Never been used.
Never been used, bottles full.
Disc up front, drum in the rear, tubulars, upper and lower. Nice big aluminum radiator with dual fans. Jeez, this thing's monster. Electric fuel pump, water pump. Team G high-rise manifold. MSD ignition. Old school box. What size carb is that?
It's a quick fuel 750. I actually put that on brand new
Wow.
about a month ago.
Oh, these are the 2 pluses.
Yeah.
Mini alternator. Hooker headers, MSD wires. That's a Pro Billet Distributor back there. What kind of horse does it make?
It makes about 700.
Oof.
And
All day long, I bet.
all day. Drove it to, I took it on an hour ride,
Yeah,
one way.
cool. K&N Air Filter.
Cruises about 60.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Sounds about right.
Yeah.
What kind of gears?
410s.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, a turbo 400 trans.
ATI Turbo 400, ATI converter,
Probably 3,000 stall.
somewhere
About
around
that?
there. Yeah.
2,800. Love how you did the mirrors, drip moldings, everything in black, door handles, keyhole. Custom Grant steering wheel. Quarter stick. Manual valve body or?
Manual valve body.
Okay.
Reverse.
Reversed?
Yep.
Monster book. I mean, Jesus. I love the swing outs too.
T-way.
Gotta get used to that. Nice door panels. Racing seats. The harness.
I just put the harnesses in, so the date's a few months ago.
Oh, it's certified still? Oh, your switches here. Oil, water, volts. The buttons for the NOS. The buttons on the shifters for the NOS.
I didn't hear you.
The button here is for the NOS or
No,
line lock.
it's behind the gauges there. It's kind of hidden.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
Oh, I see it.
That powers it, and it's a throttle switch. Full throttle.
Oh. What's this button here for?
That's line lock.
Line lock?
Yeah.
And this book has every receipt you can imagine. Killer. Nice big tub on here. He's got a 7AL2 on here also. Pretty cool. Man. Pretty cool, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, let's fire it up.
I mean,
Should I flip the switch?
it's on.
Oh.
Oh no, it's not on. Go ahead.
gas, huh?
Pump gas.
Killer. Man, she looks so sinister, bro. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Tommy, thanks again for showing us your car.
Thank you.
Pretty cool. Give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com.